In this video, I'm going to run through what to do if you have a scheduled process using the SFTP legacy connector that's stuck in pending status until the execution is manually canceled. The problem that you'll see here is that you have a process that's scheduled using the SFTP legacy connector, and it may just get stuck in pending status indefinitely. So you'd see it in process reporting, but it would never complete successfully or fail. This could go on for many hours, and you might have to go and manually cancel it just by clicking on it in process reporting and asking for the execution to be canceled. You may see as a symptom as well, um, any following scheduled executions of that process might fail with the error until you cancel the original process, unless you have simultaneous executions enabled. The root cause of this is that the SFTP legacy connector does not have client-side read and connect timeouts. This means that if the SFTP endpoint stops responding for some reason, like if there's a network failure, the connector cannot close the connection itself from the client side. It'll just kind of sit there indefinitely and not be able to move forward. So that's why you'd see the process hang. The solution here is just that you just need to implement the newer connector, just called SFTP connector. So SFTP, the red circled one there, instead of SFTP legacy. This newer connector has configurable settings for connect and read timeout, which you can see highlighted by the red bubble there. With these, if the server stops responding for some point, the connection will actually be closed at whatever time you configure there. So if you upgrade to this connector and use it instead of SFTP legacy, you won't see the same issue where the process hangs until canceled. As far as configuring this, it's more or less the same. You can consult our documentation if you need any help setting any of the options here. And that's all you have to do to resolve a scheduled process using SFTP legacy that's stuck in pending status until the execution is canceled. Thank you.